Hey guys, today is Saturday, November 28, 2020, and my family and I just switched resort hotels for the next four or five nights left of our vacation, 2020 vacation in Mexico to be exact. And we're now at from the Moon Palace Resort to the Generations Riviera Maya Resort in Cancun, Mexico. And this is a look at our guest room right here. We actually got 3 separate hotel guest rooms around this area of the rooms. My first younger sister Cassie and her boyfriend Gennaro got that room. Hey Gennaro. My mom and my second younger sister Sarah got that side of that room on this side. And this is where my brother Troy and I are staying at for the next 4 or 5 nights of the trip. All right, let's go take a look around it. Start off with the bathroom as usual. Got a couple placemats underneath the sinks here. Got a couple of sinks right here. Mirrors that have like the white ring around the mirror is actually a light. It's pretty interesting. And got some tissues over here, Kleenex and soaps and lotions right here. And little towels, of course. And here's the bathtub with jacuzzi jets. It looks really cool. A trash can right there. Oh, hey everybody. And we got some towels in there. A scale to weigh yourself if you need to. Some more towels. And here's the toilet room. Got a toilet right here with a trash can, toilet paper, and that's really interesting. The guy even got a phone for you in here. Yep, looks really cool. And this is the shower room right here of the bathroom. Got some soaps right there included in the room reservations. Towels right there. Handles right there for the shower. Looks really good. Oh, hey everybody. In here we got a couple of closets in here. Some bathrobes here. Coat hangers. Ironing equipment. And some drawers here. Not really sure what that is, but I'm thinking it's like a placemat or something, or a towel. I'm not really sure what that is, really. And a safe right here. Alright, let's check out the other side. Hang on, guys. Oh, and looks like we got some stools, and I'm thinking that's a rack to hang wet towels or something in there. Thinking that's the same thing as well. I think that's what it is. Oh, here, my second sister Sarah and my mom got a connecting room to our room. My brother Troy and I. That's their side of the guest rooms. Got some table and some chairs over here, and a TV right here. Got a little table right here, and it's like a 3-piece table, it looks like, on the top mostly, and the bottom's like full, and the 3 parts up here are like separate a little bit. A sofa, couch right here, that's pretty cool. 3 paintings up there that are supposed to look like a fish. That's really interesting. And I believe these are double beds. I'm thinking is what it is. My mom didn't tell me, but thinking these are double beds. Troy's got that side, and I got this side for the next 4 or 5 nights of the last of our 2020 vacation to Mexico. And let's see what we got over here. Some lamps, and a notebook with a pen included in it. A do not disturb sign right there. A phone. And an alarm clock. It's 5:20 p.m. It looks like it says in here. Over here in Mexico. And over here we got a trash can over there. Some cabinets right here. And a TV right here. And got some coffee making stuff right here, and water bottles. What's I got in here? Oh, I'm guessing these are for that part is for the staff only that come into these rooms to do cleaning and all. Let's see what we got in the fridge. Got some Hershey's juice, I'm thinking that's what it is. Juice right there. Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Fanta, and Sprite right there. Beer. I'm thinking that's a little candy bar right there. Chips, pretzels, water. Yeah, looks really good. And it's the fridge. And last but not least, here's the view out here with the look at the patio. Let's go check it out right quick. Hang on a second. Get this thing open first. Here we go. There's some chairs right here and a little table. Another chair right there and a pillow. And look at the view out here, guys. It's really beautiful. We got a view of the swimming pool right down there, and some pools part of the guest rooms up here. And there's the beach over there. I'm thinking over there is like the city of Cancun or Riviera Maya, Mexico. That's really cool. Beach, pool. The Caribbean Sea over there. I'm thinking that's my mom and my brother Troy right there. They must be doing something. Yeah, that must be them. Yeah, it's a good looking view from up here. Okay guys, well that's it for our room tour at the Generations Riviera Maya Resort in Cancun, Mexico, and I'll be right back for another video here on our 2020 vacation to Mexico. Okay, see you guys later.